In this diagram, there is a rhombus and a parallelogram. We have marked out the three angles that we need to find later. Before we start, let's understand the diagram more. As this is a rhombus that sits on the parallelogram, AD is therefore parallel to EC and FG. Now, we are told that DB bisects angle ADC. So, this angle here will be the same as this angle. And since ABD is an isosceles triangle, we will be able to find these two angles. Similarly, triangle BCD is also an isosceles triangle. And because of the relationship between these two, therefore, angle here is 55 degrees. Now, if we look at the parallelogram, since these two lines are parallel, we can take note that there is an alternate angle here, which is 24 degrees. And as a result, we can find this angle. Another way to find this angle is making use of the interior angle properties, where since these two lines are parallel, the two angles here will add up to give 180 degrees. As mentioned earlier, since EF and CG are parallel, therefore, making use of the angle property, which is alternate angles, we can find angle EGC. Now, with angle EGC equal to 24 degrees, we can make use of the sum of angles in a triangle to find this angle, which is ECEG. So, 124 degrees plus 24 degrees plus angle CEG will give us 180 degrees. And as a result, angle CEG is equal to 32 degrees. Reason being, sum of angles in a triangle. So this is 32 degrees. Now, to find angle DHG, we noted that this angle and this angle are related. They are corresponding angles. And so, when these two angles are the same, it means that if we can find this angle, we can find this angle. Now, we also noted earlier that angle ABD is same as angle DBC because BD is the angle bisector. And now, let's find angle ABD. Angle ABD is equal to 180 degrees minus 55 degrees divided by 2. Reason being isosceles triangle. And so we get the value, which is 62.5 degrees. Since this is 62.5 degrees, this is also going to be 62.5 degrees. So angle DBC is equal to 62.5 degrees. And as a result, angle DHG is also equal to 62.5 degrees. But this time, we have to cite the angle property, which is corresponding angles. Now, we are left with this angle. To find this angle, I can make use of this angle and this angle. So, for this angle, it is also equal to 62.5 degrees. Why? Now, angle EBX is equal to 62.5 degrees because it is vertically opposite to angle DBC. Now, with this information, we can find angle EXB, which is when add together with 32 degrees and 62.5 degrees, it will give 180 degrees, being sum of angles in a triangle. And therefore, angle EXB is equal to 85.5 degrees. Answer.